Taming prepositions and defining relative clauses. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our journey of mastering English. Today we're taking a deep dive into defining relative clauses. More specifically, we're exploring how to use who with prepositions in defining relative clauses. Let's unravel the mystery of positioning prepositions in these structures. Before we get to the meat of the matter, let's have a quick review of defining relative clauses. These are clauses that provide essential information about the noun preceding them. They're integral to the sentence's meaning and can't be removed without altering the sentence's basic comprehension. Here's a simple example. The woman who lives next door is a doctor. The clause, who lives next door, is vital in telling us which woman we're talking about. When we want to include information about the place, time, or reason relating to a person in a defining relative clause, we use who with prepositions. However, where does the preposition go? Is it at the end of the clause, or does it stick with who? Here's the good news. You can put it in either place. Let's look at two examples. 1. She is the girl who I went to the party with. 2. She is the girl with whom I went to the party. Both sentences mean the same thing. However, the second sentence is more formal and is often used in written English or informal situations. So, when it comes to the position of prepositions in relative clauses with who, you have two choices: at the end of the clause or before who. But remember, putting the preposition before who is considered more formal. But what about sentences with more than one preposition? No worries, the rule still applies. He is the man who I went to Paris with on a school trip. He is the man with whom on a school trip I went to Paris. Again, both sentences have the same meaning, but the latter sentence is more formal. And that wraps up our lesson on using who with prepositions in defining relative clauses. I hope this has shed some light on how to handle prepositions in these tricky structures. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, write down some sentences of your own, applying what you've learned today. Until next time, keep exploring the beauty of English, and happy learning.